Oh, here's another custom job. His guy, they're just blocking up bigger stuff. They get some bigger stuff from tree service companies, but this is some what I call bush run. Not from us, we didn't cut this stuff here, but I think there's 30 bush here. And this guy's got some really good frontage. This is a super busy road here. You can see how long we run. Those are 25, if not 30 footers. All day long running this stuff. Let's finish this pile. We're doing 16. I think he wants the 12. But that's loading me up. Anyway, I'll be back. Alright. We were told to cut whatever's in the pod. Guess what that is. That's walnut. So we need to turn it into the fire. I know some of you, a lot of you are probably cringing. But just doing what we're told. Yes, I can run this and film with one hand. Walnut firewood. Oh, there you go. We're done for another day. Till Tuesday. Long weekend. Labor Day weekend. Same for you guys in the States. That greenhouse back there we filled up 2 years ago. And worked pretty good at drying wood. We did it late fall and really, really good. Well, there you go. I'm sure people at the highway are looking at me funny talking into my phone, but whatever. Singing. Ah, bear. Anyway, that's it. You guys all have a good weekend. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.